Choosing the right AI coding assistant for VS Code can completely change how fast you build your projects. Today, we are pinning two major tools against each other: Amazon Developer, which used to be called Codewhisperer, and the classic VS Code built-in features. If you write code every day, you need to know which tool actually saves you time and which one just gets in your way. Let us look at Amazon Developer first. Because it is built by Amazon, it is an absolute beast if you work with cloud services like AWS. It does not just suggest the next line of code, it can scan your files for security flaws, explain bad errors, and help update old application code automatically. It brings a smart chat sidebar right into your VS Code editor, allowing you to ask questions about your project without leaving the window. On the other side, standard VS Code relies heavily on extensions or traditional smart completions to help you type. While VS Code is lightweight and incredibly fast, it requires you to install separate tools if you want deep AI chat functions. So, which one should you pick? If your development work involves cloud setups, serverless functions, or AWS infrastructure, Amazon Developer is the clear winner. It acts like a specialized cloud engineer sitting right inside your editor. Plus, it has a fantastic free tier for individual developers. But if you prefer a clean, minimal editor without extra background processes, sticking to basic VS Code tools might feel faster for simple web layouts. No matter what you choose, both options show how far development tools have come. Try the Amazon extension in your editor today to see the difference for yourself. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.